Welcome to Bodine Electric's Motor University. This series is brought to you by Bodine Electric. Knowing what you want in a gear motor is not the same thing as specifying what you want in that solution. Online tools like the parameter search function on bodine-electric.com simplify and clarify that process. But where do you begin? And what if you're early in the design process and you expect changes with future design iterations? First, think about voltage. Supply current is rarely a selectable design parameter, and in your online search, options will be available after the basic performance parameters are specified. Then think about speed. If your application requires a range of speeds, you'll be sourcing a variable speed unit. So specify the maximum speed needed. No variable speed drive can deliver faster than its rated maximum, and many designers specify variables to give them a little extra margin above the machine design's rated RPM. On the bodine-electric.com gear motor selection tool, you'll specify the torque, speed, and power you need. Then the system will let you choose between available supply current types from AC, DC, or brushless DC designs. Many designers assume that they must specify AC if that's the available current, but don't dismiss the possibility of using DC gear motors. In variable speed applications, SCR or pulse width modulated speed controls are designed with built-in rectification, and they're intended to be powered from AC sources. This significantly broadens the range of available products for your application. And once your parameters are set, you'll have options among gear motor products in parallel, inline, and right-angle drive types with hollow and solid shafts, and with planetary or conventional reduction gear sets. There may be several solutions to fit your application. Downloadable CAD files help the designer render the system in a way that helps guide the decision process. If you want more useful advice, use the bodine-electric.com Talk to an Engineer function online, by email, or by phone. There's a lot more to learn about gear motors here at Bodine Electric Motor University. Keep watching for more. This series was brought to you by Bodine Electric. For more information, visit bodine-electric.com.